Hello everybody, I am Hani Al-Tawil from Nanochem for import and export. I am general manager in exporting. This is our twice product and the important product also. It's Potassium Humate. When we talk about Potassium Humate, we can see this kind of this product. It's black flakes. So this product has a lot of elements in it. When we talk about K2O, it's 10%, and when we talk about fulvic acid, it had about 12%, 10 to 12% for fulvic acid, and about the organic matters, it's near about 80%. So this product is rich with organic matters, and also it's very important for extract all elements from the soil to the roots and make renewal for the roots and make it easy for oxygen to go down to the roots. So it's very important for roots, and also the K2O and the percentage of it of elements is very important for the green. If we talk about which time we can use it, we can use it in all time, and which kind of green or which time for trees we can use it. Any kind of trees we can use it also. So about the rate of use, it's about 2 kilo for 1 fidel. 2 kilo for 1 fidel, it's mean about maybe 5 kilo for 1 acre. It's okay. We can explain everything about it. The solubility, it need about to put this product in the water for 1 day up to make the solubility 100%, and you use it with the irrigation or with the water, or you can spray it down the trees. But if you put it with the water, you need 1 day to make solubility 100% and mix it good with the water. Thank you, and hope you keep in touch with us near. Bye.